PNM Overdrive database can be accessed through the Pustaka portal at www.ulibrary.gov.my. Click Register to register as Pustaka member. Fill in the requested information until completed. You will receive an email to activate your Pustaka webmaster and click the link for activation. Now, you can access Pustaka portal. Once you have been a member of Pustaka, go to Pustaka website and sign in. On Quick Links, click Online Databases. Search Overdrive. Click on the logo or link of the database. Make sure your computer has already installed with the software needed. Now you are directed to Overdrive website. When you want to sign in to PNM Overdrive portal, please select the option of Sign In by using Pustaka account method. Then, enter your own Pustaka ID and password. Now you are able to refer and borrow. Select your favorite ebook title and click the Borrow button to borrow for 7 days. And click the Download button to start the download process. After the download process complete, enjoy your reading! PNM Overdrive database can be easily accessed by using EV by Overdrive mobile application. Download this app from the Google Play Store or App Store and play it on your device. Launch Libby app on your device and click Yes on the library card number related question. Launch a search on your library's name. Type National Library of Malaysia in location search box. Click on the National Library of Malaysia and set it as your library. Log in by using Pustaka account. You are able to refer and borrow more than 40,000 ebook